Welcome back to your daily dose of discovery. Let's unravel today's intriguing question.
To write an effective letter to delegate responsibilities, start with a clear and concise introduction stating the purpose of the letter. Specify the responsibilities being delegated, including any projects or tasks, and mention to whom these are being assigned. Outline expectations, timelines, and any necessary resources or support available. Include a statement encouraging open communication and offer assistance in the transition. Conclude with a positive note, expressing confidence in the individual's capabilities to handle the responsibilities. It's important to maintain a professional tone throughout the letter.
Your daily dose of discovery ends here, but the journey of learning never stops. Subscribe and join us again for more answers tomorrow.